So we're asked to find a mapping point given an original point. So they're saying the point -2, 7 maps to which point? That's what they're asking. So you take some point x, y on this function and you map it to the image of x and the image of y. So we can actually work out the rule for all time, and we could answer any particular point that lay on the original function and see what its image point is on the transformed function. And we're going to do that by considering the fact that our original function y equals f of x, right, we know that it was transformed to y prime equals f of x prime over 2 plus 5. So we know that that's what happened. And I'm just going to rearrange this second side here. So y prime minus 5 equals f of x prime over 2. And the reason I rearrange that is I don't care what happens on the left-hand side of that equation with the y's, but I want some function of x prime there, just a standard function. So I've managed to achieve that. Now, if I just note that the left-hand sides, the y's, are now going to be put equal to each other, and the x's are going to be put equal to each other. So let's just pick up a different colour here, and let's just grab that x, and that's going to be put equal to that. So we're going to work out what goes on if that's the case. So we've got y equaling to y prime minus 5, and we've got our x equaling to x prime on 2. All right, well, that's y plus 5 is equal to y prime, and 2x is equal to x prime. So remember at the start I was saying we want some point xy to transform into its image point x prime, y prime. Well, we now know that x prime from above here is equal to 2x, and we know that y prime here is equal to y plus 5. So now I can take the original point that they've given me, which is x is -2, and put a -2 in there, and y is 7, so put a 7 in there, and of course I get 2 times -2 is -4, and 7 plus 5 is 12. So that's the mapped point. If you start with the point -2, 7, that's going to map to the point -4, 12. So option C is the correct answer.